What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. And today we're going to talk about another high-potential project called Acura Network. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's start. What is Acura Network? Acura Network is the first decentralized exchange to implement the full function of limit orders, stop loss, order book while still being able to trade other tokens. Is a auto-generating liquidity protocol with the automated market-making swap to directly trade off its platform while observing necessary charts related to that project, as well as being able to search information for it on the PROJEX tab. Acura prides itself to bring you a groundbreaking and revolutionizing decentralized exchange with a twist. The DeFi 2.0 model drastically improves the efficiency of trading by enhancing the user experience with a redesigned facelift user interface dissimilar to the previous versions. Acura's cross-chain network and ecosystem will allow bridging and cross-chain to other networks, all at low costs and efficient speeds. Polygon is an answer to some of the major challenges that face Ethereum today, such as high fees, poor user experience, and low transaction throughput. The growing nature of DeFi on Polygon is rapid, but without necessary charts or tools, an investor may struggle in investment optimization. This is where we fit in Acura's DeFi 2.0. They redefines the current DeFi trading experience by entailing an all-in-one order, trade, analyze, stake, and learn about projects. A refreshed engine, new databases, exquisite UI/UX, easy to use to all-in-one liquidity generating platform. They aim to give users an easier, safer, easy to use all-in-one trading experience to make DeFi more secure, more intuitive, and more predictable. Started with DeFi as the biggest challenge for beginners in the industry. The current implementation and DEX designs lack the necessary functionalities to improve your trading experience. Implementation of order books, stop loss, limit orders are inaccessible on decentralized exchanges, and this makes it difficult to trade. Without the necessary equipment, blind trading may result in excessive losses. The DeFi world is young, and decentralized exchanges lack the necessary analytical data and required tools that enable an efficient and optimized trade. There is a need for the correct analytical data and functions to minimize blind trading and equip people to make DeFi more secure, more intuitive, and more predictable. Acura Network is the key, and the platform you need that offers various insight tools, enormous amounts of data for enhanced decision-making, and deep market analytics to know every possible detail about a DeFi project. Acura equips users with accurate, fast, and efficient chart viewings, a direct swap protocol, transaction limits and stop-loss orders, precise order books, necessary explorers and socially uploaded technical analysis, and a project index list. Acura ultimately scales and redefines the way DeFi is utilized by enhancing the interoperability and equipping users with an all-in-one protocol. Here are the strategic investors: Polygon, MXC, GD10 Ventures, Arcstream Capital, and many more. And here are the media partners: Benzinga, Yahoo Finance, and Polygon Space. And that's all for Acura Network. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at ICO Investor. Thank you for watching.